Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to create a moving average crossover alert in Tradingview. This is a powerful way to get notified when key trend changes happen without constantly watching the chart. Let's get started. On your Tradingview supercharged dashboard, all we need to do is right-click the area where we want to be alerted. For example, we just need to right-click on this candle and then click on Add Alert. As you can see, we can set the condition using EMA. From here, we can choose the crossing up or crossing down options. We just need to choose which crossover we want to track, select crossing, then pick the value we want to use, or select EMA, and then set the value from there. Next, we just need to finish setting this up, and once we're done, click Create. As you can see, our Tradingview crossover alert is now saved in our supercharged dashboard. That's how we create a moving average crossover alert in Tradingview. With this simple setup, we can stay on top of important market signals and react faster to opportunities.